Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show how to make frozen gummy bears without using Sprite. Start by picking firm gummy bears and spreading them in a shallow, single-layer container to freeze evenly. Pat them dry if damp, then place the container in the coldest part of your freezer for faster setting. Check after 30 minutes and flip any stuck pieces to prevent clumping, then return to freeze until fully set and firm. To prep properly, gently pat gummy bears dry so excess moisture won't cause unwanted ice crystals to form on the surface. Line your tray with parchment or silicone to prevent sticking and make removal simple and mess-free. Arrange gummies in a single layer with tiny gaps so freezing air can circulate. If you want flavor separation, use small compartments or separate trays for different colored bears before freezing. For the fastest freeze and best chew, place the tray in the coldest section of your freezer so bears set firm without prolonged exposure. Once frozen, transfer gummies to an airtight container or zip bag, pressing out extra air to reduce frost and freezer burn. Label the container with the date and aim to enjoy within 2 months for optimal flavor and texture, thawing briefly if needed for softer bites.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.